I should have started recording this when I started, but I'm making another trolling motor mount for the kayaks. Got the two trolling motors here, and I should have again started from the beginning, but just using some PVC pipe, some wood. This is the one for the one of those Facebook Marketplace deals that I felt really bad about. Like, hey, it was too good, and battery box, USB port, AC. And this is just the other one for this kayak. All right. So those are locked in there, just to keep the bumpers, the stabilizers on this mount here. So this just goes up past this and is locked in with this screw. So I had to unscrew this. Painting done. I decided to leave those white just when they go in the... All right, check it out. So this one's mine here. This is 13-footer. And this is Braxton's 10-footer. Both have the trolling motor set up. We're custom made by yours truly, the trolling motor mount. And this one was almost done, but I had to, remodify it and add some stuff to it. And again, this one here, it flips up with the handles. So when you want to get out of water, it goes all the way up to the top. This one too, but I didn't put a handle on it yet, but I'm just going to attach a handle right here so you can do the same thing. But it has the cotter pin, so when transporting, you can just pop them out, disassemble the stabilizers and be ready to rock and roll. So got my trolling motor set up. And I just hope my phone don't fall in the water here. And it does have the rudder, the foot controls, so I can turn easily, left to right, just with my feet. So lazy, but I don't care. It's fun, man. I mean, it's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. Anyway, man, we're having fun. So I'm making it back to the boat ramp here. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going back to the boat ramp.